Alright guys, welcome back. We're here still at the Galati Yacht Sales Pier at the 2023 Suncoast Yacht Boat Show. Let's continue. On 380 horsepower diesel engine, Volvo diesel engine. It's a Predator 65, 67 feet 2 inches long. Has a range of 750 nautical miles. 21 Sunseeker, powered by Volvos. $2.8 million for this one.
Oh, right, okay. Did he not know so? Yeah, we gave him the process. Right. Yeah. Well, Aaron said he got gas out. The AC running on there is running in short.
Beneteau Viage. It turned out.
But there is a nice little, yeah, and the one folds on for the skylight. Yeah.
You won't do that if you're not like me. Yes, you do, down in Fort Myers, you were youngest kid. I saw that on steroids.
That's a secret.
Okay. Let's just stay together.
We're going to continue here.
There was a couple, we missed them though.
But no, it must be up front.
Yeah, I grew up in Montgomery County in there. Yeah. Because we saw so many.
I haven't had any trouble with any other ones.
Got a forward-looking infrared camera right there.
It's never worked. Has it ever worked? I thought they replaced no. They replaced the actual head unit.
Do they only have one boat to sell?
So SYS is selling this boat and all of these boats along here, and then this one right there.
Caroline, you're in the way, darling. You can't stand over that side.
It's okay.
Where do you want to go?
Pick one. No beef, I guess. Thank you, Jim. I like it. Very cool.
Thank you very much.
It helped because it put Molly in a commercial that got come out and it started scratching him kind of Molly got some characters off himself. So yeah, well we'll put money into it. But
700 gallons worth of fuel.
$849.
Oh goodness. Let's go down this small aisle.
Yeah, that's fine.
And it's not that shower. Put that down. Like you said, the back I mean, I could literally get
Alright, I kind of kept quiet for a little bit because I'm not too sure about some of the boats I'm seeing here, like the specs and other stuff, so I just let the prices speak for themselves. But it's just amazing the variety, the range of prices that we see here. Some are very cheap, some are very expensive, and some that you would think would cost an arm and a leg are actually they turn out to be cheaper than the the ones that you they are cheaper than what you would have expected them to sell for, to be selling for. It's a nice one. I'm seeing more and more of these designs. I don't know what exactly is the advantage, if it's fuel savings or that they are more stable, but I see this quite a lot these days. Oh boy, this looks like it's overpowered. By the Yamaha 250, 102,000, and this is 82,000. So that's just what I mean. Like, this is a very nice boat. 82,000. It's great for spending the day out in the lake, in the ocean. Influencing. It's a photo shoot. Okay, let's continue here with looking at the boats. This is a single hull. Move on to the other side, see about how much it's going for. But these are the new colors that you see now with more and more boats. Curious as to the price, but I don't think these are going to be cheap. Indian 649 for the one on the right, and 667 for this one on the left.
And you went out the doghouse.
Yes.
328. Surprising.
It's a
And it's, what year is this?
See, it's not so much in
That's a 291.
Crawford, North Carolina.
It's here all the time.
By Twin Suzuki. And sold already.
You don't have to go anywhere else, right there.
Does it come with?
That's an option. It's all about the options.
And this on the left is 277,000, and this one on the right is 412,000.
All part of the experience. Like,
Well, I assume if I buy the boat, I get the ribbon.
Here we have the V12 engines from Mercury. Very serious engines. And of course it jacks up the price. Almost $1 million, but for the show you can get it at $849,000. This is a 39-foot HCV Speciale, and it's sold by Ultimate Marine, based out of Jacksonville? I'm not sure. But they have a whole slew of these yachts. This is crazy. Check this out. And I love the color. It's a creamish kind of color. I'm not sure what to call it, but it's different from the white that you see over here.
Well, it's air conditioned in here.
Air conditioning inside, it says the guy. Mercury 225, and this one goes for $269,000. It's not aviation grade aluminum, but military aluminum. Probably has air conditioning too. That's air conditioning is great, you know, when you're going up there in age, it's good to have air conditioning.
It's 10 person bag. I mean, I think you can fit. When would we have 10?
Is this like a top or bottom?
And this one is $2.4 million. Yep, totally worth it. Just these engines, I'm sure they're worth it. $1 million just back here in the engines. This is a serious boat. totally custom. Set up for fishing. Check the quality of the wood. Triple displays from Garmin.
That's all natural, right?
Tons of storage. And this one is going for, there's no price, but it looks nice.
This boat.
Let's see if we can have a price on this one. $65,000.
And it has a full stand-up shower.
$399,000 for this one. So it in its proper proportions. Dynamic bolts. Twin Suzuki 350s. It's got the LED lighting on the water, as you guys can see. $399. Looks pretty fast too. That's for your champagne. Great for the sandbar. Looks like that's a refrigerator down there. Speakers, cup holders, and very nicely done finished captain seat. You guys can see it's finished in very expensive wood. It's got the Rain Marine display, and your entertainment system is on there on the roof. It's also got active radar and tons of speakers for your guests. Now I don't know if there's a restroom on the other side, but hopefully there's one, because that's a lot of people you can carry on this boat. And to have a successful party, you need some kind of facility on here. Otherwise, it's a very nicely done boat. Nice center console will accommodate many people going out fishing.
What do you think, man? You like it?
I like this one. The price is good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where are you guys based out of?
We're built in Miami.
Oh, you're built in Miami?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're built right in Miami. Cortez Cove is going to be a dealer of ours.
Okay, cool.
And, yeah. Built right over by the airport.
Yes.
So super convenient to go in the river, test boats, things like that. Yeah, we're a local Florida company, U.S. built. So.
Amazing. Nice. So, does this come already built, or you can spec your engines?
It's fully
and-
customizable.
Okay.
Fully customizable. So you can spec different engines, you can spec different upholstery, flooring, colors, finishes, everything. 100% customizable, and we can do anything that your heart desires, pretty much.
Awesome. All right, thanks, Ben.
Yeah, man, of course.
Okay. There you guys have it. They're based out of Miami, and you can stop by. You get the hull, and then you spec up your engine, your navigation system, whatever you need, your heart's desire. Give them a call, and they are called it's Dynamic Boats. That's the name of the company. And here is the big boy one. It's got the Mercury 600 V12 engine, triple Mercury V12.
I'll set your lights up.
Here on the right.
And then I stretch it out.
Oh, let's check this out. That's large. Nice. So here we have another one. Let's take a look here real quick. This is from Nautical Ventures, and it's 579. Let's check the power that it has. So it's got the Brabus engines, 450 twin Brabus. It's actually a Brabus boat. On top you have a spotlight, you have the marine horn, and check this out, it looks like it's carbon fiber. That's amazing. You have your little grill on that side, so you can actually be cooking while you are on the way. Tons of storage. Beautiful LED lighting, if you guys can see the blue right there. That's actually a very nice blue.
One also, are they doing a certain amount of years? 37. 28 to do 28.
So, yeah, this is really great for entertaining. It looks fast and it should go fast. Oh yeah? Okay, let's continue. Here you have 712,000 for the Triple Mercury 450s. You got 15% off. A nice 15% off. And this is also great for the sandbar. Here we have that style of the show. And here you have Cortez Cove yacht sails. Triple 400 V10s from Mercury. 15% off during the show, and you can get it at 718,000. If you ask my opinion, I think it's totally worth it for this one. Hey guys, I just want to show you something here. Check out the finish on that boat. Let's check out the finish. Great quality. That's how you can tell the quality of the workmanship. Same applies to the seats. If you guys can take a look over there. Oh, yes, focused. There. That's also awesome. That's what it looks like. Not that expensive wood going all the way around. And then you have for safety, you got the grip handle all the way around also. And then over there you can lounge while you're on the way with 2 cup holders. You take a look. Alright, let's continue. Over here we got the Cortez Cove yacht sails Fountain 38, and this is 569,000. And here we have the Fountain 32 NX, that's a 38, this is a 32, shorter, and this is 447,000. And this one is going for 492,000. It's a Sea Ray. And on the left you have a gun with a gun. And I like the finishing inside. It's got that new cream colored paint or interior. This one looks really huge. And then you have the entertainment system right there on top of the console on the roof. Right there. I don't know if it's in focus. Okay, this would be great for entertaining also. Here you have some bigger ones. Giving the salt light.
Thank you.
What a beautiful one.
Okay.
$7 million for this one.
This is the one that we didn't see.
I just have a fucking killer setup.
Get a big. More ambitious.
Here's my advice.
And that's intentional. I don't
Let's head this way.
Wow.
I think we've been down here before. I think we've been everywhere so far. Okay, let's just head this way. Quad Yamaha, 849,000 for this one. Let's continue. I think we've been everywhere so far. I think I've touched everything.
Yeah, I'm trying to swipe the wheel.
Bobby took his boat. I'm not sure. Remember we were on his boat. I'm not sure how big it was. This is 41 feet long, Jack.
There's some brokerage opportunities on that boat. Yeah.
That's a 38XL.
What is it? 37 something. I would say.
in danza.